Hello everyone, Collectaholic here. Today we are going to be opening up a Mosaic cereal box that I won from Cardboard Court. I'm going to leave Cardboard Court's link down below. If you guys have not subscribed to him, please do. These boxes are pretty cool. I have never seen these before, except on his channel. Unwrap 6 prisms. And look for the ultra rare inserts. Stained glass, straight fire, and more. I plan on getting all these straight fire inserts. Maybe a stained glass. Let's see what we can pull out of this box. These are pretty cool. I don't even know where you buy these. Maybe from the LCS. I want to thank you again, Cardboard Court. His link will be down below. You guys, please give him a sub. Let him know you came from Collectaholic. Sure he'll sub you back. There's enough room in here for 2 packs. We got the pack and we got the invisible pack. Sweet, we'll open them both. Alright guys, this is what it looks like. I've lost the invisible pack. Find out another time. Let's see, I guess he calls them cereal boxes. I guess they're called cereal boxes. First up we have a Rudy Gobert, and I believe, oh, this is 2021. Show you the backs. Michael Porter Jr. We have an Otto Porter Jr., Michael Porter Jr., and an Otto Porter Jr. C.J. McCollum, Jaylen Brown, Aaron Baines, Andre Drummond, Boban Marjanovic, Taylor Horton-Tucker, sound like I just cursed, Theo Maledon, rookie card. We have a sweet Larry Bird, Xavier Tillman rookie. Nice Anthony Edwards debut, that's a good one there. Emmanuel Quickly rookie. And we have our red Chris Voucher. Blake Griffin in the red. Doug McDermott red. Brandon Clark. And Malachi Flynn in the rookie card. Never heard of him. Alright, Terry Rozier in the green. Pretty cool. Nice, LeBron James Men Mastery. Sweet. My PC. Awesome. Nice Kevin Durant. Stair Masters. We have a montage. Nice. Luka. Sweet. This guy is incredible. Nice. Anthony Davis. Stair Masters. And our last one is a Ja Morant. Meta Mastery. Sweet. Alright guys, I want to thank you guys for hanging out for these few minutes. Please don't forget, Cardboard Court down in the description. Give them a sub. Alright guys, you have a great night. Until next time.